You ask your AI assistant a simple question. Behind the scenes, something remarkable happens, and for the first time ever, we know exactly how much energy that costs. What you're about to see represents the first time a major AI company has pulled back the curtain completely. Google just released something unprecedented. The exact energy cost of every AI conversation you've ever had. And the numbers? They might surprise you. I'm Your Name. And today we're diving deep into the hidden infrastructure powering the AI revolution. This is going to change how you think about technology. Every day, millions of people ask AI systems questions. But until now, the energy cost has been a complete mystery. Tech companies have been notoriously secretive about this data. Researchers have been trying to crack this code for years. They've made estimates, built models, but they've never had access to the real numbers from inside a major tech company. Earlier this year, MIT Technology Review reached out to every major AI company asking for energy usage data. The response? Complete silence. Until now. Google just changed everything. For the first time, a major AI company has released comprehensive data on exactly how much energy their AI systems consume per query. The number is 0.24 watt-hours for a median prompt to Gemini. To put that in perspective, that's equivalent to running a standard microwave for exactly 1 second. But here's where it gets really interesting. That's just the headline number. Google went deeper than anyone expected. Most people think AI energy use is just about the chips running the models. They're wrong. Google's analysis reveals the complete picture. The AI chips themselves, only 58% of the total energy. The rest tells a fascinating story about modern computing infrastructure. "25% goes to the host machine's CPU and memory, the supporting cast that keeps everything running. "10% powers backup equipment, sitting idle but ready to jump in if something fails. And 8%? That's the overhead of running a data center, cooling systems, power conversion, all the unglamorous but essential infrastructure. This level of transparency is unprecedented, and it reveals something remarkable about the hidden complexity of answering your simple questions. But here's the most shocking finding: the energy cost of AI has plummeted. We're talking about a dramatic transformation. According to Google's data, a median Gemini prompt used 33 times more energy in May 2024 than it did in May 2025. That's a 97% reduction in just 1 year. This isn't just incremental improvement. This is the kind of efficiency breakthrough that transforms entire industries. But how is this possible? Google attributes this to advances in their models and software optimizations. But what does that actually mean? Think of it like this. Imagine if your car suddenly became 33 times more fuel efficient in 1 year. That's the scale of optimization happening in AI right now. Better algorithms, more efficient hardware, smarter resource management. This is why the AI industry is moving so fast. Every few months brings fundamental improvements that seemed impossible just years ago. But Google's report reveals more than just energy numbers. Each prompt also consumes about 0.26 milliliters of water, roughly 5 drops, for cooling systems. And carbon emissions? Google estimates 0.03 grams of CO2 per prompt. Though there's a caveat here, Google uses a market-based calculation that accounts for their clean energy purchases. Since 2010, Google has signed agreements for over 22 gigawatts of clean energy. This makes their carbon footprint roughly 1/3 of the average grid where they operate. The actual environmental impact depends heavily on these infrastructure choices. So what does this mean for the average user? Google's chief scientist Jeff Dean puts it in perspective. Using Gemini is equivalent to watching a few seconds of TV or consuming 5 drops of water. But remember, this is for text prompts only. Generate an image or video? The energy cost jumps significantly higher. Ask AI to analyze dozens of books? Much more energy. The complexity of your request directly impacts the computational cost. Google's transparency sets a new standard. Researchers are calling this a keystone piece in understanding AI's environmental impact. But it also raises questions. If Google can be this transparent, why can't others? What are OpenAI, Microsoft, and Amazon hiding about their energy consumption? This report might force the entire industry toward greater accountability. Some researchers are pushing for standardized AI energy ratings, like Energy Star labels for appliances. Google's report is a step toward that future, but we're not there yet. Here's the thing, even if individual prompts are efficient, scale matters. Billions of AI queries per day add up, and as AI capabilities expand, usage will explode. The efficiency improvements Google demonstrated are crucial. A 33x improvement means AI can handle massive growth in usage without proportional increases in energy demand. But this race between efficiency and adoption will define the future of computing. The companies winning this race will be those that can deliver AI capabilities while minimizing environmental impact. Google just showed their cards. Now we wait to see how others respond. The next time you ask your AI assistant a question, remember, you're not just accessing software. You're tapping into a vast infrastructure of specialized chips, cooling systems, backup equipment, and global energy networks. Google's transparency gives us our first real look at this hidden world. 0.24 watt-hours might seem tiny, but it represents billions of dollars in infrastructure and years of optimization. The age of AI transparency has begun, and understanding the true cost of intelligence, both artificial and human, has never been more important. What do you think about Google's energy revelation? Should other AI companies follow their lead? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this deep dive valuable, subscribe for more insights into the technologies shaping our world. What do you think about Google's energy revelation? Should other AI companies follow their lead? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this deep dive valuable, subscribe for more insights into the technologies shaping our world.